Hello everyone, welcome back on our channel Belly Babes, where you get the brand new footwear collection. So friends, if you are visiting on our channel Belly Babes for the first time, then please make sure you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification of our videos. So let's start our video. So guys, in this video I will show you the footwears from Amazon. Yes guys, all of these are the Amazon best quality and one of the lowest price footwears for you. So guys, there is a sale going on. If you buy these footwears right now, then you will get the heavy discount on these footwears. So guys, please watch this video till end and please share this video with your family friends so that they will also have an idea about such kind of lowest prices and with the best quality footwears, as well as you will also get an idea about these kind of footwears because we have added the all categories of footwears in this video, whether it is casual, semi-casual, regular usage, as well as the party wear collection also there. And some of these are the footwears which you can use on some get together, as well as the genuine leather also there. So guys, a lot of variations are available in this video, and this video is kinda long, and you will get the all categories of footwears. So guys, you can see the prices are mentioned there, which are pretty low, and this is the best deal for you guys because there is a Amazon sale going on. So guys, now let's talk about how you can purchase these footwear. So guys, if you want to buy, then there is a purchase link given below in the description box. So please check out the link and click on that link. From there you can easily place order for these footwears. Just simply click on the video title and scroll down. There you will see the blue colored link, and guys, that is the purchase link. So the link is very safe and there is no scam. Simply click on the link and you will redirect to the website. From there you can easily place order for these footwears. And one more thing guys, there are a lot of fake Belly Babes YouTube channel are on YouTube now, which are offering you to purchase footwears at low prices, and they are totally scamming you. They will also ask you to send the payment and your other OTP passwords. So please don't send the payment to them and don't share your OTP passwords to anyone else. We always give the safe purchase links and safe resources to place order for these footwears. So guys, don't go anywhere. Just click on the video's title and scroll down. There you will see the link, and that is the purchase link. So guys, I hope you will really enjoy. So guys, there is an Amazon sale going on, and which are providing the lowest price footwears with the best quality. So guys, check out the website, and if you buy these footwears at that time, then you will get the heavy discount on these footwears. Otherwise you will not get any discount. So guys, check out the link below, given below in the description box, and you can easily buy these footwears from the website as per your choice. So guys, let us know in the comment section that which footwear do you like the most from this collection, because you can see the all categories of footwears, and you can see doctor footwear also there, which are the orthopedic footwears, and which are the extra soft and extra comfortable footwears for you. And you can easily wear these footwears from 7 to 8 hours in a day without having any problem. So guys, let us know in the comment section that which footwear do you like the most from this collection, and if you have any doubt or any query, then comment section is always available for you. You can comment freely at any time. So guys, hope you have really enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for supporting our channel Belly Babes and giving so much love to our videos. So guys, keep watching and keep supporting Belly Babes, and we are always bring the best quality footwears for you, and we are always bring the lowest prices with the best deal for you. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe our channel Belly Babes so that in future you will never miss any updates from Belly Babes. And these are the Amazon footwears, and there is a sale going on these footwears. So guys, check out the link which is given below in the description box if you want to buy, and you can see the all categories of footwears are available, and you can try any color, any shade, any design as per your choice from this collection. And hope you have really enjoyed this video. So guys, share this video so that your friends and neighbors can also enjoy these deals. And thank you so much for supporting our channel Belly Babes. So guys, thank you for watching this video. and purchase link given below in the description box if you want to buy. And one more thing guys, you always ask the same question that is there any shop of any Belly Babes or where is the shop? So guys, I want to say that we don't have any shop. We always give the footwear's idea and we are doing the online work only. So guys, we always give the idea about the footwears, that what kind of footwear is trend going on and what kind of footwear is available in the market, what is the fresh pieces, and we are always doing the lowest prices with the best quality footwear for you guys. So guys, we don't have any shop and don't ask the same question that how to buy and where to buy. We always give the purchase link in the description box of every video. So guys, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and take care.